Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who knows more ትግርኛ?
Me.
What is ትግርኛ?
The language for Ethiopia or Tigray.
Yeah.
Brave boy. ጎበዝ ወዴ። እሺ. We'll start the question, okay?
Okay.
ሰላም
Hello.
Hello.
يقنيلي.
Thank you.
Good job. دحن ديخي؟
Are you okay? Are you good to a girl?
دحن ديخا؟
To a boy.
Okay. فوطة.
Towel.
Towel.
نيشتي.
Small.
Not again. Oh my God, my funny.
Ready?
Yeah.
عبي.
Big.
No.
I know you know it, I like.
Like Abby plays.
Oh.
Yes.
No. That felt like I was in a pool.
That's right.
And I was
إيشي.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
okay.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, what we can do for this one? You know it, but somehow,
Did I say
somehow
okay?
you mix it with a lot of words.
Did I say okay? Okay. Oh, yeah. So I got it.
Yeah, but you mix it with a lot of words.
Yeah.
Okay. This for this yellow. Okay. Now, it is about
Colors.
grocery.
No.
Yeah, go. It will be alright. Go. Sit properly.
Sitting.
No, okay. زيتي.
Onion.
Olive.
زيتي.
Olive oil.
Brave.
Dang it.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oops.
شجورتي.
Oh, on it.
Dang it! Dang it! Dang it!
قرينيا.
What?
قرينيا.
That's the question?
No.
Okay, I have no idea what Korean means.
Someone bragging.
Someone bragging me. You both get it. That's good.
Okay. ጻዕዳ ጨው.
Oh, sea salt!
White salt. Oh, God.
Yeah, you did a good job, both of you.
But
So right.
isn't soda mean white?
Yes, right.
So
Yeah.
do
Oh,
you-
means salt, but we
For
call
all the salt.
yeah for all the salt. But if it is garlic salt, we call it ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ ጨው. ናይ ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ, ናይ ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ ጨው.
But soda means white.
Yes, so sea salt is ጻዕዳ, no?
Yeah, but garlic salt is not. Oh.
That means ናይ ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ ጨው. It's not ጨው.
Soda sugar.
ናይ ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ ጨው because it's mixed with the garlic. That's why we call it ናይ ጻዕዳ ሽጉርቲ ጨው. But still it is ጨው, salt.
Okay.
Thank you. زيتي means yeah, that is oil. But it's oil, but it's not olive oil. It is oil for every oil, for all the oils. We call it زيتي. If it is olive, we can call it ናይ أولع زيتي. Okay? ናይ أولع زيتي, ናይ avocado زيتي, ናይ ሰሊጥ زيتي, sesame seed, that means sesame seed oil. Okay? It is like that. So oil, زيتي means oil, not olive. ተኸታተልተይ ምናልባት ኣብዚ ቀሪፀዮ ዘለኹ ናይ መጀመርያ ቪድዮ ብዙሓት ጌጋታት ገይረ ክኾን ይኽእል እየ ግን እዚ ናይ መጀመርያ እየ ስለ ዝኾነ ኣይተሓንሱለይ.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll see you next time.